Welcome to the April 2024 Verdana Village, Estero Florida flyover update in 4K. Verdana Village is a new home community that will include 2,400 single-family homes. Amenities include a gated entrance, 2 indoor tennis courts, 4 indoor pickleball courts along with 12 outside pickleball courts and 6 outside tennis courts. The community also features indoor basketball and indoor volleyball and an outside resort-style pool. The community is situated on 2,100 acres. 17 acres have been set aside for 100,000 square feet of commercial space, which will include a grocery store currently under construction, restaurants, a dry cleaner, shops, and offices. For information on new and resale homes, please contact Southwest Coast Realty for more information. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes on the video description below. If you like this video and would like to be notified of future videos regarding Southwest Florida real estate, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.